So welcome back. And now that you have a class created, we're going to look at creating content within your class. Okay. So if I go over to classwork, I see a create button. And if you click create, we're going to work on an assignment first. When I click assignment, you can see I can title that assignment. Note that with any assignment or with any announcement or anything you put in here, you can select all of your students or you can select specific students within the classroom. So this allows you to differentiate instruction very easily. If you had students that were special needs in your classroom, you could create a class or an assignment for them that was different from the assignment for the other students in the class. Nobody would realize those differences because they're all just seeing an assignment come into the class, but they don't see each other's respective assignments, if that makes sense. You can stick your instructions in here. Of course, those are optional. Note here that you can create points. Sometimes you might have an assignment that's ungraded, so you could do that as well. You can always set a due date. Anytime you set a due date for an assignment, that will automatically load to the calendar. You can also set a due time if you want to. And then there are topics. So topics are a great way to be able to search for content within your class. Once you start building content, it goes in sort of order of how you build it with the newest on top. So if you create topics, then you can sift through what those things might look like. So if I create a topic here, and maybe my topic is reflection. Now, anytime you create an assignment or any other type of module in here, you can create connect content to it as well. Okay, so if I wanted to connect a video, I could connect a hyperlink. I could connect something that I have built in Google Classroom. I could even connect some sort of document that I have. Okay. Notice over here that if you want to assign this immediately, you just click the assign button. If you want to schedule when to assign it, you can go to schedule and pick a date on the calendar so that students won't see it ahead of time. This enables teachers to be able to build content ahead, but students won't see it until you're ready for them to see it. Once I click assign, it will take a moment to load. And now I have the assignment right here. Hope this helped.